Hey everyone! Today we're going to explore how to integrate GrooveFunnels with AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who are already set up, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect GrooveFunnels with AWeber. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both GrooveFunnels and AWeber from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. If you haven't connected your AWeber account to Zapier yet, you'll see a Sign In option. Click on this button, and then you'll need to enter your login details and click Allow Access. And you're all set. Your AWeber account is now connected to Zapier. Now repeat this process to connect your GrooveFunnels account. You will see a Sign In button. Click on it. Next, enter your email and password, then click Yes, Continue to Groove. And your account will be connected. After connecting both accounts, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started. So be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.